In this video we're looking at things to try after learning to go forwards. This is just me a quick video because I feel like most people are probably already doing two out of three or 3 out of 3 of these things already. Tend to be things you just sort of pick up as you go. There's links to time codes in the description below, so if you want to skip forward to anything, take a look. Couldn't work out what this was called even after a bit of googling, so Crossy Legs it is. This is just like bubbles, but you cross your legs over, cross your knees over. You find it easier to have one foot out in front. You might also find it easier to lift one foot up on the heel, the front foot. So to see what I'm talking about here. My recommendation is if you put a bit of music on in your headphones, you probably find yourself bopping like this naturally. Next up, there's a certain type of turn which can go on for a long time to be a spin. It's a really good way to stop moving and it's not really that hard. When you're riding along, you're going to want to lift up one of your feet onto its heel. I prefer to do it with my left foot, that seems to be easier for me. And you want to turn that foot away from you. If it's your left foot, you're going to want to turn it to your left. Don't panic, keep your foot there and you do a spin. You may find it useful to try and shift your weight onto that foot that's on its heel. You know what I mean? This one can look pretty scary, and when you don't know how to do it, I guess it is. But it's a really rewarding one to learn and really worth putting the time in. It's really similar to that spin before actually. I suppose instead of putting your foot onto its heel, you tend to put it onto the toe. So your front two wheels, anything on the ground. Trying to do it slowly here, you see you sort of shift your body around on one foot so you're halfway, and then bring the other foot round to bring you completely backwards. As usual, it's practice makes perfect, and you're going to feel pretty wobbly doing this one until you don't anymore. Almost goes without saying that the way to get started with this one is to learn to go backwards first. Take it slowly, start from a standstill. There's plenty of videos on YouTube for that sort of thing already, but I might make my own at some point separately. Thanks for watching. That's the end of a pretty short video. Hope that's been useful or at least enjoying to watch. And please feel free to give us a subscription if so. I'm trying to release videos every week, so yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and if anyone wants anything longer, any of that, then drop us a comment in the comment section below.